First, go to your computer and search for CMD or command prompt. Right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. When prompted, click Yes to allow the program to make changes. Once the command prompt opens, type the first command, ipconfig/flushtons and press Enter. After that, type the next command, ipconfig/renew and press Enter. Make sure there are no spaces in the wrong places, otherwise you might get an error. Next, type in the following command, netsh winsock reset and press Enter. Once that's done, you can close the command prompt. Now, search for network on your computer and click on View Network Connections. From there, find your active connection, either Ethernet or Wi-Fi, right-click on it and select Properties. In the list, look for Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4 and click on it, then click Properties. In the new window, choose the option to manually enter DNS server addresses. For the preferred DNS server, enter 8.8.8.8, and for the alternate DNS server, enter 8.8.4.4. After that, click OK to save the settings.